Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can enable Safari's experimental features. It's pretty simple. For this you want to open up the setting of your iPhone, and from inside your settings scroll all the way down until you see the option called Safari. If you don't see it at the top, you can just search for Safari like this as well. And just click on Safari. Once you're inside Safari, scroll all the way down, click on the option called Advanced. Now from inside Advanced as well, you want to scroll all the way down and click on the option called Feature Flags. Once you're over here, all the experimental feature on Safari is going to be shown. And if you want to enable any one of them, you can just turn them on like this and it'll be on. And you can start using those features. But if you want to turn it back off or go back into the default one, you can always scroll all the way down and click on reset all to default, and all of the setting will be back to the default one. So that is how you guys can enable Safari's experimental feature on your iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide, for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.